What if the reason you're exhausted financially isn't because you're failing, but because you've been trying to survive in panic instead of rebuilding with intention? Many women watching this are not lazy. Lazy can't even, your name can't even be in the same sentence with the word lazy. They're tired. Tired of hustling nonstop. I know I get tired of having to do a whole lot of overtime, but I take it when I can get it. Starting over again and again, cutting things but still falling behind, and feeling like stability is just out of reach. And here's the truth most people won't say: financial stability cannot be built in survival mode. Stability isn't created in panic, it's created by calm systems that work even when life is hard. Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Delightful Wealth Creation. If you're new here, I'm Dion of Delightful Wealth Creation, and on this channel, I help women over 45 discover financial stability and ultimately peace. Why does burnout keep you stuck? When you're constantly stressed out, every decision feels urgent. You react instead of plan, you chase income instead of fixing the leaks that is causing the problems, and you abandon plans that you've worked on because you feel like they're overwhelming. Burnout actually makes you do more while moving less. And many women over 45, we've been doing this for years. We're carrying families. We have a lot of responsibilities. We feel guilt and we feel pressure with no space to breathe at all. Before money can stabilize, your approach must change. A gentle financial reset that can actually work is not about doing everything at once. A calm financial reset, it starts with 3 stabilizing steps. So let's go over them. The first step is to know your real numbers without judgment. Stop judging yourself so hard. You cannot fix what you're afraid to look at. This means taking a look at your income after taxes, looking at your monthly bills, your monthly expenses, looking at your variable spending, looking at how you're actually spending your money, and really taking a good look at your debts. Not to shame yourself, not at all. We're not about that on this channel. This is to regain control and clarity that reduces anxiety immediately. The second thing is to reduce pressure before increasing your income. Yes, we want to increase our income. Why not? But before you can try to earn more, you need to ask yourself what expenses can be lowered, what subscriptions can go, or any other expense or variable expenses that we're spending our money on, and what can be simplified. Lower expenses, it equals faster relief. Even $300 to $600 per month freed up monthly, this can stop overdrafts, this can reduce stress, it can create some breathing room for you. And the third thing is to build one simple system, not 10, one. A weekly money check-in, one savings bucket, one debt plan, one automatic transfer. Consistency, it beats complexity every time. Sometimes we overwhelm ourselves by creating too many different plans, and it messes us up and throws us off of our steady path of getting to this goal that we want to achieve. Stability, it comes from systems, not from a whole lot of hustle. So most women don't need another side hustle, even though we do talk about side hustles on this channel, and there's nothing wrong with doing some of them to bring in some extra money. But we also need to have structure. Stability comes from having predictable routines, okay? And that's something that we need to have. We also need to have clear priorities, fewer financial decisions, and automation where it is possible. Systems allow you to function even when your income fluctuates. I've shared how my income fluctuated last year and how your energy may be low. You still need to have that system. It will still function. And when life gets messy, if you have the proper system in place, it will still work towards your goals, even when all these other obstacles arise. This is how you rebuild without burnout by having a system. Let's look at some practical options for women who are struggling right now. So if you're in survival mode, here is some realistic stabilizing options that I am using in my life. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm sharing with you things that are working for me. And you know, I do a lot of reading and research, but maybe you can look at downsizing or reducing housing costs. I spoke about that in a previous video, and you know that I am considering that and working on plans for that, and I will share it with you along the way as I am making these changes. Also, relocating or lowering or moving to like a lower cost area to help reduce some of this stress for you. What about renegotiating bills and things like your insurance and different plans that you may have? Simplifying your lifestyle expenses. What about creating low pressure income streams? I have different videos with different side hustles or income streams that you can create, which are low pressure, because you don't need any additional pressure on what you're already going through. And pausing unrealistic goals and focusing on stability first. Stability is a season, and seasons do change. Most importantly, we need to look at peace as our foundation. A regulated nervous system makes better money decisions. When you're calm, you plan instead of panic. You stick with systems. You stop self-sabotaging. We're good at doing that. I know I have done it plenty of times. And we regain confidence. Peace is not passive. It may sound like a passive word. It is not. Peace is actually a financial strategy. If you are overwhelmed and you don't know where to start, I've created a free resource to help you reset calmly. It's the Financial Clarity Kit. And this will help you organize your money without stress. It helps to identify the leaks that are draining you right now and you didn't realize they were draining you. It helps you to create a simple system or simple systems that'll work for you, and it'll help you feel grounded again. This is not about perfection. This is about stability and peace, and it's in the description box below. The link is there. Just click on that. It is free, and this will help you to start small and start calm. I want you to reframe success. You don't need to rush. Yes, we're getting older, but you need to make wise, calm decisions. So you don't need to rush. You don't need to punish yourself, and you don't need to burn yourself out. You need clarity. You need calm systems, and you need intentional choices. Financial stability is built quietly, and you are allowed to rebuild without suffering. Take care, my beautiful ladies. I will see you in the next video.